In industrial formulations, compatibility is everything. Let's break it down why fatty acid amides work so well with oil-based materials. It starts at the molecular level. Fatty acid amides have an amphibilic structure, a long non-polar hydrocarbon chain that loves oil and waxes, paired with a polar amide group that delivers surface activity and lubrication. This makes them naturally at home in oil-based systems. In polyolefin plastics like PE and PP, which are nonpolar and oil-like in nature, fatty acid amides disperse seamlessly. They migrate to the surface during cooling, forming a thin lubricating layer that reduces friction, prevents film blocking, and improves processing flow. In lubricants, they dissolve in petroleum oils to form protective films on metal surfaces. In coatings and inks, they improve rub resistance and surface smoothness, ensuring consistent quality in every application. Not all amides are the same. All amides delivers fast surface slip. Ericamides offer lasting performance at high temperatures. Ceramide balances lubrication and anti-blocking. And EBS handles demanding engineering plastics with ease. It's structure engineered for a purpose. And because most fatty acid amides are derived from renewable vegetable oils, they support your sustainability goals, delivering high performance at low use levels without compromising on quality. At TOPWELLGOAL, we manufacture fatty acid amide additives, engineered for polymer processing and industrial applications worldwide. If you're looking to optimize your oil-based formulations, get in touch. We're ready to help.